Here's some noise pollution history trivia. Subscribe. What landmark 1972 act addressed environmental noise in the U.S.? Is it A, Noise Control Act, B, National Parks Act, C, Energy Policy Act, or D, Clean Air Act? The correct answer is A, Noise Control Act. Which city introduced the first noise control policy in 1952? Is it A, Chicago, B, Houston, C, New York, or D, Los Angeles? The correct answer is A, Chicago. In what year did the World Health Organization publish guidelines on environmental noise? Is it A, 2001, B, 1999, C, 2005, or D, 1997? The correct answer is B, 1999. What is the primary source of noise in urban areas? Is it A, animals, B, public events, C, pedestrians, or D, traffic? The correct answer is D, traffic. What city's subway system has been studied for its noise impact since the 1970s? Is it A, Paris, B, London, C, New York, or D, Tokyo? The correct answer is C, New York. What city implemented the noise code in 1998 to reduce disturbances? Is it A, Toronto, B, Los Angeles, C, Chicago, or D, New York? The correct answer is A, Toronto. Which U.S. national park has established quiet zones since 2009? Is it A, Glacier, B, Acadia, C, Zion, or D, Grand Canyon? The correct answer is D, Grand Canyon. Which sound is categorized as environmentally harmful? Is it A, birdsong, B, ocean waves, C, rustling leaves, or D, industrial noise? The correct answer is D, industrial noise. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.